Dow Jones and Tech 100 is still trading with a modest bullish bias. It has failed to retrace on the downside, and it is still staying very strong. At the same time, DAX and FTSE 100 has seen a good drop with the market remaining open yesterday. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take trading NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones, DAX and FTSE 100? We will see in this one analysis. Also, the next update specifically for Dow Jones and NASDAQ will be released before the US session. Watch that on. Let's start. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start with US 100 first. Now see US 100 on the hourly chart. See, first of all, it has breached this resistance at 15050, couple of strong candles, and you can say that it is still consolidating. The markets remaining on close yesterday, and right now it is still in a consolidation zone waiting for a breakout either which ways. And you can see the moving averages are now trading with bullishness here, one over other stacked beautifully, and hence remember, a sell entry I will recommend is below 150 or 140 zone, below which you can still expect 15100, 15050 as a very strong support. Breaking below 15050 only bearishness will be observed. Also, if you look at, see, the Bollinger Bands have narrowed strongly, and hence this time the move is going to be very strong. Now on the upside, you can buy here at 15220. However, 15240 very strong resistance, 15240 and 250 levels, staying above which it is going to fly high, and we are going to look at 15300, 350 levels. Remember, if Tech 100 breaches 15300, 350, direct lending is for 15500. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD has almost hit the bottom, waiting for it to cross over for a buy. RSI flat, and on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. Consolidation, breakout awaited, still staying bullish here. Divergence 15050, 15000 very strong, and in fact 14900 very strong support levels for Tech 100 on the downside. Stochastic is looking forward to an upward move. MACD has stayed bearish, waiting for it to converge crossover. RSI is almost trading flat, and on the 3-hour charts, if you look at, see, similar observation is on the 3-hour charts as well, but look at the lower highs and flat bottom. Hence, wait for a breakout specifically below 15150, 140 levels. Now see, the moving averages are trading with extreme divergence here. So a price conversion means a 15100 levels at least is going to be a very good support, and in fact till 15050 very strong support exists for Tech 100. Also, if you look at the complete move, it has completed almost a V-shaped recovery and now willing to give or take a direction. Second observation here is the fat belly which the Bollinger Bands have observed till now. Now it is narrowed very strongly, and hence I will wait for the breakout. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking downwards here. RSI is also right now looking downwards. And on the 4-hour chart, now here on the 4-hour charts, more divergence, more bullishness, but a breakout is what we should look out for. And specifically below 15180 and 220, we can below 15180, still you can expect 15150, 140 levels as the next stronger support, and below which only we can expect little bearishness. Stochastic flat, MACD has crossed over here at the top and trading with little divergence and bearishness, but see, this is the first wave. It can also give the second wave on the upside. RSI flat, and on the daily chart, now see, on the daily charts also still staying bullish, trading with divergence. Also, if you look at the daily charts, almost the top is seen. You can see 15400, 300 levels, very strong resistance here. And we have discussed in our daily analysis why 15300 is important. Also, one more observation here is look at this candle, and after this consolidation, also it is creating a step, and hence wait for a breakout. Once it stays above 15240, you can expect 300, and this time if it breaks past 300, definitely more bullishness is going to be seen. Now look at the candle size, 14950 to 15150 levels, almost 200 points, and if you count 200 points of here, you can expect 15400 levels. Be careful. And on the downside, once it breaks below 150 levels, 140 levels, 100, 050 and 15,000, very strong support levels. Now also remember one more point, achieving double top if it moves on the downside, because see, the prices are still not divergent, much divergent from the 20 period, and hence it can scale up, then the conversion can be expected, and also the moving average may start looking further up. Stochastic is overbought. MACD here willing to converge and crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 15,220, but then wait for 15,240, 250 levels to be breached for further bullishness, and then 15,300 is the next level. Double top is what you can expect. Beyond that, 15,400, 500 will be the next targets. On the downside, you can sell here at 15,180 levels, but then 15,140, 150 to be breached. Below that, 15,100, 15,050 are two major supports. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And those who want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 10th of July. Only couple of seats are left. Register yourself from itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at hourly charts for Dow Jones. You can clearly see here lower highs are seen. Higher lows, as of now you can see higher lows. Support here at 34,350 is very strong. 34,350, 30,300 levels, very strong support till 34,280, below which you can stay short, and we can expect a sharper move on the downside for 34,200, 100. Now remember, 34,100 is the maximum support below which for the bearishness to be observed. Look at 4 bearish candles, but moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over, still indicating bullishness. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to cross over for a buy entry. It is still on sell, but a crossover should bring more bullishness. RSI flat, but right now trading with a more bearish bias. Coming to the 2-hour charts, now look at consolidation. First of all, resistance here, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, now waiting for a breakout. Now what should be treated as a breakout? Yes, you can buy here at 34,450 levels, beyond which still you can see 470 triple top and then 500. Only above 34,500 we can expect that US 30 has taken a direction, it is going to fly high. Look at 2-hour charts. It is right now breaking on the downside after a reversal sign. Wait for it to stay below 34,350 and more bearishness to prevail there. Stochastic at top. MACD is still bearish. RSI is trading with slight bearish bias as of now. And on the 3-hour charts as well, you can see similar observation, couple of retracement and this breakout. Wait for 34,350 to be breached. You can still expect 34,280 as a stronger support, and below which just stay short. Stochastic has retraced. MACD trading with a bearish bias. RSI trading near to top. And on the 4-hour, similar is the observation. Higher lows, lower highs, consolidation and a breakout awaited. Stochastic at bottom. MACD willing to cross over for sell. RSI very near to top. And on the daily, now look at daily chart. See, first of all, earlier it was trading with bearish bias here. Then this bullish breakout, retracement, double top. Now it is looking forward to a double top, which means 34,600 at least. Beyond this, we can see more bullishness. Now look at last few candles. Lower highs are seen. And once it breaks out, see, still till 34,330 and 300 it has got, or rather I will say till 34,280 it has got very good support. And once it draws below 34,280, you can say more bearishness will take it for 34,200 and 100 level. On the upside, a rise beyond 34,450 is what you should look forward to. Hence, in between 34,350 and 450, do not take any trade on US 30. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is still in green and RSI is flat. So considering this, you can buy here at 450. But then 500 is the level beyond which it will try to hit double top. At least 34,600 should be seen there. On the downside, below 34,350 till 34,280, be cautious. Below that, you can expect 200 and 100 as the next target. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at DAX or Germany 40. Now see, DAX has come to its next stronger support levels at 16,000. Very strong support exists at 16,000 levels for DAX. You can see the drop step. See the drop here and drop here. It is minimized. Then this consolidation and now looking downward. So wait for 16,000 to be breached, below which you can still expect 15,970 and 15,950, 920 as the maximum support. Now remember, you can see what has happened when it was earlier at 15,900 to 16,000 zone. It has consolidated. This is what makes this zone as a very strong support levels. Now see, the breakout was from this zone at 15,950, and that is why I am saying 15,900 and 16,000 is the max support zone for DAX. At the same time, a rise above 16,050 you can buy here, but then wait for it to break out beyond 16,100. Beyond this 16,100, 120 is where you can see the bullishness. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has come till the bottom here, waiting for a buy crossover. RSI is oversold, which can give you a pullback. On the 2-hour charts, now look at 2-hour charts. See, first of all, candle size diminishing here, making this levels as a strong support level. Look at this maximum support at 16,000. Again, a very good support. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is bearish, waiting for a crossover. RSI is looking downwards. And on the 3-hour charts, now look at 3-hour charts. See, flat top, lower highs. First candle, second candle may initiate here, which I will wait for this next candle because right now it is taking a very good support here. Hence, a breakout below 16,000 is what you should wait out for. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom, and on the 4-hour charts is similar is the observation. So again, same levels. Stochastic is oversold here, MACD is bearish here, RSI is also trading with a slight bearish bias. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, 20 period moving average right now giving it a resistance here. Also remember, the bearishness you have seen in the last 2 candles, it is getting diminished. The body size is getting smaller here. Hence, this time it can show you a little swing here. So, making you a little bit of, or giving you a little bit of caution here, that till 16,970, in fact, for 15,970 and 15,950 also, you should be watchful. If it breaks below 15,950, more bearishness will accelerate the pace of the drop. Look at this here, it has started on a flat, and hence if you see it trading above 16,050, you can wait for a rise till towards 16,090, 16,100 as a very good resistance, above which you should expect a reversal. Also, if you look at these 2 candles, you will find here getting the support at 15,970. Stochastic has dropped, MACD flat at almost neutral levels, and RSI has dropped here, almost trading flat. Considering this, in between, see, if you are taking a sell entry at 16,000, wait for 15,980, 970 and 15,950 to be breached. Below this only further bearishness is going to be seen. Now remember, for DAX, 15,900 and 16,000 is a very, very strong level. And on the upside, wait for 16,100 to be breached on the upside for more bullishness. And hence, if you're taking a buy entry at 16,050, be cautious and alert. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100. Now look at UK 100 on the hourly charts. See, 7480, 7520 is the maximum support zone for FTSE 100 as of now. And hence, you have to be careful there. Look at the movement, sharp drop, consolidation, little retracement, drop there, and it is getting, or it is coming to the support levels here at 7510 levels as of now. Now remember, if it breaks below 7510, you can still expect 7500, 480 as the maximum support here, and hence you should be cautious of it. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is still staying bearish here, trading with little divergence, RSI at bottom, and on the 2-hour. Now look at 2-hour charts. See, it is retraced here and now willing to give a breakout. I will wait for 7480 levels, below which only further bearishness. Yes, you can take a sell entry at 7500 levels or 7510, but then till 7480 you have to be watchful. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI is also bearish as of now. And on the 3-hour charts, if you look at similar observation, the drop here, the retracement, now waiting for the second leg of the move here. Now this move can be stronger, and hence wait for 7480 specifically to be breached. Below that, further bearishness to prevail. Also on the 3-hour charts, another observation here is the bearishness getting diminished with every candle, and hence above 7530 you can buy, but then till 7560 levels here you have to be cautious. If it breaks past this, just stay long. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is bearish here. RSI is also trading with a slight bearish bias. And on the 4-hour charts, now also look at the 4-hour charts. The bearishness getting diminished, staying above 7530. Stay long for 7550 levels and 7560 levels at the next stronger resistance. Stochastic extremely oversold. MACD extremely bearish here, trading with divergence. First leg, I will wait for the second leg if it crosses over. RSI looking downwards. And on the daily charts, now see, on the daily charts you can see it is consistently giving you lower highs and almost a flat bottom. Hence 7600 650 is the zone beyond which you can say that the reversal has taken place. Right now it is trading with a bearish bias. And also look at the movement. See, one big bullish candle, retracement candles. Also look at today's candle here. Started flat and it has given a breakout, so possibly it can stretch the drop till towards 7500 7480, and the support here is seen at 7450 levels, the strongest support below which it is should be treated as bearish. At the same time, a breakout beyond 7550 7660 560 you can expect 7600. It can retrace here because see the prices were divergent here, it has converged here, and then if it breaks out beyond 7560 you can expect 7600 levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still trading with modest bullish bias and RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 7510, but then be careful of 7500 7480 levels. Very strong support till 7480. Below that you can expect 7450 levels, and below that a crash can seen. On the upside, you can buy here at 7530, but then 7550-60 is a very good resistance, and if it stays above 75, you can stay long for 7600 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join my mentorship batch starting 10th of July. That's the 23rd batch. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, both mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.